What's up, guys? It's Rain here and Royce here. You guys are watching a live in R&R. Today, guys, we're on the Disney Fantasy. And today, guys, we're giving you a room tour of our balcony room. Oh, welcome in.
Oh, well, thank you. Where do we start?
We start with the bathroom.
Okay.
Number one bathroom.
Number one. Number one of two.
Yep. It's kind of a little bit big, toilet, sink, things that you put like all your bathroom stuff.
Shelving.
All that shelving, all that kind of stuff.
Nice. Oh, here's the other member of Life of R&R. Welcome to the party.
And bathroom on too. Okay, so two people can brush up their teeth. And there's a shower with a tub. And that toilet right here.
Huh? There's no toilet there.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so some more space that you can put
Another closet.
shoes, all that kind of stuff.
3 shelves.
Yep.
Okay. What do we got in there?
Closet number 2.
Or 1, depending which way you start, I guess, right?
Yeah. Laundry bags, just in case if your laundry, if you want to reset your laundry, if you're gonna wear it the same day.
Hey, you might need to. Maybe you're a light packer and you need to wash some laundry.
And some more space to put up your clothes.
Right. And we got the safe in case you need to put anything important, money, documents, all those things, whatever is important to you.
Like jewelry.
Jewelry. Yeah, that's right.
Like
Smart.
more shelving, more space.
How many we got? Let's see. Open that drawer up. Let's see how deep that is. Okay, pretty good size.
Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 things that you can put in.
6 spaces, 3 shelves, 3 drawers, 3 shelves. Got it.
I mean, don't forget this one.
Yeah, I see.
4 shelves.
I counted it.
And my lovely mom.
Lovely mom. Oh, very nice.
That's very sleepy right now.
Very sleepy.
And nice comfy bed for adults and stuff. And over here is the nice little
lamp.
playgrounds.
Yeah, that's got a lot of detail. It's a map.
Oh, wow. This looks nice. And here is the nice big TV, more stuff. Okay, so this is the kids' space. But you can come in.
Is that what we call? So the curtain means like kids area, adults area?
Yeah, but okay, so you can put like toys up in the adult area. This is a room tour. If you guys doing your room tour, then you can cross the adult side.
Oh, there's exceptions.
If you're leaving too, you can cross the adult side too, because it's not fair when you have to use the bathroom. It's on the adult side.
That's true. So what you're thinking is they need to put a bathroom on the adult side and another bathroom on the kid side.
Yeah, but if it's really important and you need to grab something or use the bathroom really bad, then you can cross to the adult side. And then probably if you guys don't have enough space to put all your adult stuff or kid stuff, there's more shelving.
Okay.
Oh, look at
You got
this.
2 there.
We passed this.
Right, you passed a lot, my friend.
Okay, Disney Magic, Disney, what's it called?
That's the Wonder.
Disney Wonder, Disney Dream, and the Disney Fantasy. But they're forgetting something, the Disney Wish.
Oh.
But it was before, this trip was before the Disney Wish. So,
Correct.
So they didn't put the Disney Wish.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter. Oh, okay, this is your connecting room. If you need something, if there's enough space,
You
there's
could connect.
always.
Yeah, if you book 2 cabins.
And nice little pictures. Nice little couch,
table.
lamp, and this turns up to a bunk bed. As you can see up there, do not pull it without permission. Yeah, and you could get hurt. And here's all the mini toys.
Oh, will you look at that?
Oh look!
Those are really miniature.
Look at this.
What is it?
It's a Pixar movie.
Oh, Pixar!
Yeah, we got one of the Pixar movies. There's some lovely little snacks, wine.
That's not for kids.
I know.
It's wine, not apple juice.
Yeah, but there's a little desk here, so if you want wine or any snacks, then you can cross the kids' side. And here's the draw. A little
A mat. Hair dryer. And a card. Okay.
And yeah, and some more shelving. And more drawers down here.
Okay.
And a TV. and a fridge. Just in case you need to put some freezing stuff. Nice little, kind of a little bit room. I could make it a little bit bigger though.
You would prefer a bigger fridge, I understand.
And here is the balcony. So, it's just in case if you're worried if your kids are going to step out there, like opening the door, there's always a safety lock up
Go ahead,
here.
open it.
Nope. Nope.
See, it's locked. So, if your parents are asleep and if it's locked, then just leave it alone. We hear
Don't touch the
something.
door. Right?
We hear something.
That's the wind. Let me open that up. All right.
I'll open
Since
it.
I'm coming with you, it's okay because you're going on the balcony with a parent.
Here's a little lovely ocean, sunset. We just left, and lovely little ocean.
Yeah. Well, that's more than a little.
And some little buildings over there. You can't really see it because it's really far.
Right. And remember, kids, be very careful. It's better that you leave this closing for an adult if possible so that you don't hurt your fingers.
So if you guys wondering, that door over there is heavy, and this door is over here heavy. One time I slammed my fingers.
You did?
Yeah, when we was going in the car and my hands were there.
How did your finger feel?
And then Mommy shut the door when my fingers was there.
Oopsie.
Pretty bad. Which is why we have to be careful. All right.
And because since I opened up the heavy door, next month I'm about to turn 7, and yeah. And there's some cookies say
Crackers.
a little word. The name of the crackers. And yeah, that's the end of our room tour. Stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. And subscribe.